So you've just got your hands on the latest SBL pre-scene and you're wondering what to do with it? Well, here are 7 tips to help you get the most out of it. Tip number 1, read for the story. Start with a slow read from the beginning to the end. At this point, you're not highlighting yet, you're not taking notes, you're just asking yourself who the organization is, what it does, and what maybe some pressure points are, and what success might look like for them in the next 12 to 24 months. At this point, maybe just jot down 3 headlines that capture the big picture. This sets up the frame for every judgment that you're going to make in the exam. Once you've done that, then you're ready to read through in more detail and take notes and highlight. Tip number 2, map the stakeholders. So list the key players and their primary objectives. So think board members, functional heads, external partners, regulators, customers, staff, and so on. Make note of any tensions that there might be between different stakeholder aims. Now, marks in the SBL are awarded for balanced judgment. So you want to show an awareness of who gains and who loses in a particular situation and why. Tip number 3, build a simple timeline. So pull out past events, current initiatives, and any upcoming deadlines that you see in the pre-scene. Now, a quick timeline helps you to see cause and effect within the business. And it also stops you from suggesting actions and strategies that ignore any existing commitments or any seasonal factors. Tip number 4, extract the strategic themes. So you want to scan your pre-scene for any recurring strategic issues like digital transformation, sustainability, governance, culture, risk, funding, and so on. So use some quick strategic tools to help you organize your thoughts. So a quick PESTEL analysis for external factors, maybe a SWOT analysis for internal readiness, and a quick value chain note on where advantage could be built. Now, if you want to accelerate this work, check out Astranti's SBL pre-scene pack. You'll get detailed analysis of the pre-scene document, likely exam issues, video walkthroughs, and broader industry analysis. It's designed to save you hours and sharpen your professional skills marks. So click the link in the description to find out more. Tip number 5, get comfortable with the numbers. List any performance measures that you see in the pre-scene and ask yourself what each one is telling you about efficiency, effectiveness, and risk. If the figures are given, you can calculate simple margins, growth rates, and productivity ratios. You don't need to do complex modeling, but you do need to be able to comment on trends, drivers, and any implications for decisions. Tip number 6, anticipate risks and controls. So from any themes that you've identified, identify what some top operational, financial, compliance, and reputational risks might be for the company. For each one, make a quick note on what controls you could put in place or mitigations you could put in place, who would own that, and how success could be monitored. Examiners will reward practical, implementable suggestions that show an awareness of governance. And tip number 7, build a 1-page exam brief. This is where you're looking to condense everything onto a single page that you can easily revisit in the lead up to the exam. So maybe purpose and strategy at the top, stakeholder map on the left, 3 to 5 strategic themes in the middle, key performance indicators and risks on the right, and maybe a list of short, likely tasks that you might end up facing in the exam. For example, board memos, presentations, project justification, or change plans. This helps you to keep an overall sense of the picture in the lead up to the exam. So there we go, 7 tips to help you with analysing your pre-scene. Apply these and you will find yourself bringing a much stronger knowledge of the company into the exam. And remember, if you want some help with analysing your pre-scene, click the link in the description to find out more about our SBL pre-scene pack.